All right, everybody, and welcome to week 9, or I guess Article 9 of Deck of the Week. We're going to look at Light Tasker Market Sheriff here. Big shout out to Justin from Tabletop Royale again. I reached out to him. He said he was totally cool with me taking a look at his deck and highlighting it for the article. So yeah, thank you very much to him for being so cool about it. All right, well, this is a pretty easy keep, I think. We got 5 logos cards, including a Telltale Vapors to put away our Cutthroat Research. Got a little damage. We got 2 pretty good creatures here. Telltale Vapors so far has really overperformed. I mean, I thought of it originally, compared it to like Labworks without the Amber Pip. It was kind of like, I don't know. But no, this card is insane. So let's go ahead and start with that. We're going to put away... I think we're putting away our Cutthroat Research. Okay, so let's do Titan Guardian with Quant on the right. Wormhole on the left. Plasmate will do 0 damage to Flaxia because he's got no neighbors. So the question is, do we want to play it for the Amber or hold it? Decent chance next turn we're going to call Logos again, so we'll hold it. Oh, sorry. Yes, end the turn. So let's see what we got here. Alright. Again, another good chance we're going to call Logos like I thought, but we'll see what opponent does. Streak. And that's that. Interesting. I guess I should look at opponent's deck list real quick. Triple Charette, so good chance he's holding that. Double Collector Worms. Double Dominator. I mean, yeah, some good stuff in there. Alright, well, I think we're just going to go Logos. We're not going to play this still. We'll play Igor. No one archives. Okay. So, which one do we want? Umbra, Group Think Tank, or Bad Penny? Well, Group Think Tank is probably not going to help us a whole lot in this matchup. But I don't think I really want Umbra or Bad Penny that bad, so we'll just grab them. Okay, let's Reap with Wormhole Technician. Wormhole Technician revealed Library of the Damned, so we know we have that in our archive now. If I Reap with... Let's see. It's not on a flank, we refill... Okay, but it is on a flank. Okay, so... Quant... think is gonna Reap. What do we want to play? One non-logos action card. So we could Chimera Eclipse. Or we could Hysteria. So if we Hysteria, we get to replay Igor, which is kind of nice. If we play Chimera Eclipse, it gets shuffled back in. Well, okay. Well, let's Reap first, I guess, with Titan Guardian, then we'll Hysteria. And then we will go with Titan Guardian, with these guys. Well, Igor. Which one do we want? We get another Igor, Snag, or Hologramophone. It's a tough one. I'm wondering how important Hologramophone is to this deck. But I do kind of like the idea of getting into Igor and then just continue to pump the advantage here. So 2 Ronnie Wrist Clocks or Not Finished With You. We'll take the Ronnie. And we'll put out our Group Think Tank. in the turn, yes. Drew our Edeye. So we're off and running pretty hot here. But we did get Floxum spiked. So probably should have like looked at his deck a little bit closer. Probably would have seen that, but that's alright. What are we doing here? Let's see. We could do this to destroy his whole side, but we can wait on that, I think. It's not that threatening. Or we can go Ronnie. Yeah, kind of like this. So why don't we try? I'll make sure I'm not missing anything. Hopefully I'm not going to blow this, but I think what I want to try is to play Ronnie on the left. Then we'll Kymor Eclipse, play J-Vend on the right, J-Vend on the left. This deck is very grindy. I mean, it is slow rolling hardcore. Now we got our double Infernus, so that's cool. Chota, so we forced him to play his Chota. He's probably been holding that for a while. Darna. And Flaxia. So we can Logos. We could play Logos. He's at 3. So we could play Logos. Basically board wipe him. Oh, well, we won't board wipe because we won't get Marmo Swarm. It's not really threatening us with anything. And we can put Snecklifter in our archive. Yeah, we'll go Logos. So let's do this to Marmo Swarm. And then it should clear him. Okay. There we go. Alright. Now, if I call Dis next turn, am I just gonna pick up my archive anyways to play the second Library of the Damned? Because if I am, then it really doesn't matter what I'm gonna do here probably. I'll put that there. Alright, hopefully my opponent did not just quit. Like straight up. I mean, I left the game, but hopefully he'll reconnect because he did not even concede. Give him a couple, maybe like 2 more minutes. It's pretty rude. I mean, I think we had this game well under control. Let me look at his list here. I mean, I guess he could have some insane disc turn where he double, like, he Asteria's all the stuff back to my hand and then exhumes. I don't really see much else that's gonna help him. He has a key charge. Yeah, I don't see how he would have got back in this. I mean, I'm chalking this up personally as a win because I think we were way ahead. Maybe I wouldn't have even pulled the archive. I don't know. It would have been close. But we were about to purge probably these 4 untamed guys. Maybe Floxum Spike, I don't know. I mean, that did blow us up pretty good, so maybe I would have got rid of that, but destroyed Amber, and then maybe gotten rid of like Flaxia, Darna, and Chota. Left a Marmo Swarm, and then, geez, I mean, we were about to go way off. So I'm calling this one a win. I know this is kind of a short video. I'm sorry about that, but opponent decided to just kind of quit on us. So, but we had this way under control. So, all right, we'll call that a game and move on to game 2.